Hello guys and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be showing us how to fix the weapon loadout not saving glitch in Black Ops 6, and let's get straight into it. So the first thing that you guys can do is simply just restart the game or just close the application, restart your PC, and then you can go ahead and start it back up and you can check to see if that fixes the issue. The second method you guys can try doing is actually once you open up Black Ops 6, once you're in the multiplayer zombies menu, wherever you are, you want to actually turn off your Wi-Fi and you want to create your class in offline mode, because when you create your class in offline mode, that will automatically save, and then once connect back to the Wi-Fi, you'll notice that the class is already there and there will be like no issue with there will be no issue with it not saving, because like I said, you created it in offline mode, so it's not like it will just disappear. So again, you just have to close your Wi-Fi once you're in the multiplayer game menu, and then you want to quickly just make your class, and then once you connect back to the Wi-Fi, it will be saved. The third method you guys can do is, if you have Black Ops 6 downloaded through Steam, you can go ahead and open up Steam. From Steam, head over to Library, and then from Library, scroll down until you see Black Ops 6, right-click on it, hit Properties, and then go over to Installed Files. From Installed Files, you just want to click on Verify this game's files are installed correctly, and then hit Verify Integrity of Game Files. And what this basically does is that if there are any corrupt files, that will fix that, and then that will also help fix the issue. And yeah, that is it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.